So in this question here, first of all, just we want to just clarify so that because of the height of the observer and where they're observing from is above the height of the building, we're just going to use the observation point as our 35 meters. And that makes that red triangle have a height of 35 meters. And what the question's asking is find the height of this smokestack. So there's going to be the length, the vertical height of the red triangle plus the vertical height of the green triangle. So we need to split this up into two separate triangles to be able to solve. So I've got that red triangle, and I've got this red triangle is a right angle triangle, and I have the height and the vertical height and the horizontal run of that red triangle. So I'm just going to write it in here. It's going to be 30 meters and 35 meters. And using those two angles, I'm going to find angle alpha in that triangle. So we know that the tan of angle alpha is going to be the opposite over the adjacent side. So angle alpha is going to be the arctan of 35 over 30. And when we work that out, the arctan value works out to be 49.40. Okay, and so we have then that part there, and which then allows us to work on the green triangle. So the green triangle, if I subtract that 49, and I'm just going to write it in here, so this angle is 49.40 degrees. In the green triangle, if we subtract from 70 degrees, that angle in there works out to be, that's going to be 20.60 degrees. And then that allows me then to solve for this unknown height of x. And that will then let me calculate the value of the actual total height of that stack. So setting this up, we know two sides of that green triangle. Okay, so I'm going to set it up like this. I'm going to say that, and again, we're going to use tan. So we're going to say that the tan of angle 20.60 degrees is going to be equal to the opposite over the adjacent side of 30. Okay, so then solving this problem then, we're going to do tan of 20.60. That gives us a value of 0.3758. So I'm going to round that to 6 is equal to x over 30. So then solving for x, we end up with a height of 11.276. I'm going to round that to 8 meters. Okay, so the x value here is 11.28. That makes the height, the total height of this, is going to be equal to that 11.28 meters plus the height that was given of 35 meters, and it gives us a total height of 46.28 meters. Okay, so that's equal to 46.28 meters.